National Assembly considering the bill proposing to return Nigeria to regional government. No be small thing o. And as they drop this info, now people come dey write say, this will be the best news Nigeria can ever get, that let everybody go their state or go their region, go mind wetin dem get. No be small thing o, my people. As that one dey happen, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come outside come talk say that no doubt that Nigeria must remain one. He said that even the national item na in priority, but the food and the hunger wey dey wire Nigerians no be in priority o. My people, e don red. They say that the Biafra government in exile under Simon Ekpa don provoke. He say men is on alert. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigerian army dey take off with a helicopter to find the people wey buy their men for inside Abia. The Abia state government placed almost 23 million naira, 22 million naira ban on the person wey buy the military men for inside Abia. Say anywhere where they see them, may they bring them come. Say they go give the people 20-something million naira. My people, things are happening. However, we will bring some videos come up, may you watch. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel. Make sure say they follow us for Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Always share our video. My people, I'm going to bring you this video. May you hear waiting Tinubu talk, and before we come back, come proceed for other videos.
Oh, God has put us together. There's no doubt that we are going to be one. Let me allude to something that happened yesterday. The change of national anthem. Nigeria will hate it. Some people say, okay, say what? Is that your priority? It's my priority. I agree with the National Assembly. If they make law, I got to obey that law. Or we disagree openly and close the chapter. But the question of diversity, who gave us the name Nigeria? Is it not Britain or somewhere? Have we changed our name? We are Nigerians. Our passport shows that. As long as we are Nigerians and one family, we remain and protect our diversity and love one another as brothers and sisters. Thank you, sir. For all that you are doing, for Nigeria to be united. I'm glad the SGF had mentioned the appointment. I don't see it as the North and South. I see it as a Nigerian project. The question of who you are, you have no control over it. It is God Almighty that put you in that particular place and make you a member of that family. You have no control over it. When I came begging for votes, I didn't say vote for me as a Yoruba man. I say vote for me as a Bola Ahmed Tinubu, one of you. Accept me. And I could see the result. I'm hanging on to that mandate jealously. And I'm working my heart out And I promise you, I still work harder.
It is not new national anthem, it is an old one. See, the national anthem we are using before Arise or Compatriot was from C.O. C. Achebe, Chunuba Achebe. Then this one they are singing was our national anthem in the olden days, old one. Nigeria, we hailed it. Are we hailing Nigeria for what? Nigeria, we hailed you. Hailing Nigeria, say what happened now. Why I go hail Nigeria? Say Nigeria favor me. Madam, let me tell you, I know hail Nigeria. Nigeria, we never hailed you. Hail you for what? Say, all Nigerians here are satisfied. Look at everybody. Frustrated. Nothing is going right here in Nigeria. You are hailing Nigeria. Okay, they hail Nigeria, say Nigeria are God.
I cannot sing that one. This new one, I cannot sing it because I don't think we want to sing it. Because the person that is bringing the national anthem, I don't think is okay.
This new national anthem that have been there more than 50 years, even the one that they just abolished, after I left school for almost like how many years, 30-something years, you see, I know that one, but to some extent there are some lapses. The new one, my sister, may you see them now.
I can never sing it, and I'll never learn it. It's a very sad development, and today, to me, it's a very sad day for me. While others are going forward, Nigerians are going back to their colonial past.
I only know Nigeria we AD. I met it in school, but I was in primary one then. And when they changed it, you know, children, we don't know much about it, but we are constant with this Arise to come control. And when they, and not their professor, when they come, they say it's poorly written. That's why they want it. Is Nigeria not poorly governed?
Is it this one? I didn't even know, and I didn't even know about it. Safe. I'm just waiting to see the write-up, and I have not even seen. All I know is that before we sing Arise, O Compatriots, and O God of Creation, so I don't know the one that is the old one. Safe.
The Bible says where there's no vision, people perish. National anthem has nothing to do with what is going on in the country, where people are suffering, price of things are being high, and you forgot all those areas.
Changing our national anthem without changing people's mind is like painting a car where engine don't knock. That is the truth. When you change our national anthem to be singing certain way, but our mind is still polluted, our pocket is still dry, the economy is still not strong, it's in shambles. It's like painting a car where engine don't knock. I come in peace, okay?
Anthem even affect the well-being of the common man in Nigeria. Let's be realistic. How this one will support the government to stop either hunger, banditry, or improve insecurity. To us, let's do what is beneficial to the common man, and this honorable chamber is the only, for now, standing on a formidable force, a point for the common man of Nigeria. So Nigerians are looking up to us. I concur with the minority leader. Let's look up something that will bring a development in the eyes of the international community to Nigeria. People are discussing nanotechnology, Internet of Things. We are still.
Welcome back. As I watch that video, that now waiting Tinubu talk, and you don't see the response wey Nigerians give to am. I'm going to bring you a video showing helicopter trying to track down the government wey by their people, but unfortunately na Biafra government in exile released this video, which means they are in territory of the Biafra government in exile, which is the Biafra Liberation Army. I'm going to show you the video.
In one hand, you know, they go up. In don't turn. In don't turn. In don't they go down. In don't they go down. In don't they go down for that. I ain't want to go turn again. Okay, now there are two where they send the video. It don't finish. Now this are in the you know to believe here now. I think you know to believe say people there here. Now that place be the target. I got it, Baba Troya. But do you know say if this not today here, we go fire this thing down. No be here in front turn. You want turn again. Now gun we won't come shoot now. Hey, baby, come here, we get ready to get them down. Now go when go shoot now, he don't blow, he won't finish. Ready, Wukayo! Where it is say that thing where in they shoot, where it is saying go land. In don't shoot waiting in carry come now. No be assignment where come.
Confirmation.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As I watched that moment where they try to show the helicopter, and that na respond will come from the Biafra Liberation Army. Please share this video and make sure say you subscribe to our YouTube channel as you dey hot, and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.